screw neck.
Thanks for not wearing a collar for collar up,
Yeah,
but like that's you.
It's still called collar, right?
Hi, how are you, Ati?
Good, Kunal. What's happening?
Welcome to Collar Up, and I'm so excited you're doing this with me. So this is Ati Nirmal Pagrani, guys. He is one of my closest friends. He, just like me, is a super foodie, a super fashion enthusiast, and super fun to be with. Ati Nirmal, for all those who don't know him, which I'm sure are hardly few, is the owner of Vasimi in Dubai, one of the multi-design stores for fashion, Indian fashion in Dubai. And if you're from Dubai, if you're in Dubai, if you know anything about Dubai, you have to know Mr. Ati Nirmal Pagrani, who I very sweetly and all of us call Ati. Hi Ati, how are you?
Good, Kunal. Thank you for the introduction. Rulayega kya pagle?
Should we start?
Yes, we should.
My first question for you today, Ati, is you obviously know Sabyasachi, the legend in Indian fashion.
Yes.
And which year did Sabyasachi start his design label?
I don't know, maybe late. What is it now? 2020. Like late 90s? Late 90s?
You want to come close to a year?
98, 99? Yeah, I mean.
1999.
Wait,
That's there.
99?
He just started before the new millennium.
Yes.
So that's Sabyasachi. 1999 started his design label. The next question is very generic, very simple, very a man must know kind of question.
Okay.
So when you wear a dinner jacket,
Okay.
which button do you usually button?
Depends how many are there, na? Sometimes it's a single
If
button
there's
jacket.
one, then you only button that, na, Baba. If there is more than one, is the question. If it's a two-button jacket, chalo. If it's a two-button jacket, which button would you button? The top or the bottom?
Top. I think so. Correct?
Thank God, Ati, you knew this.
Thank God. And I'm not at all a dinner jacket person. Oh my God. I mean, I think I was born for athleisure. I'll like drown in athleisure someday.
The next question is, which is a brand that's known for its red soles?
Louboutins.
Okay, so next, moving on to the next question, which Indian costume designer has won an Oscar?
Which
And if you can, which film? It's a movie. The movie's been a
you
while.
want to give me some hints? Like, I have no clue.
She's also done for Lagan.
Oh, she's also done for Lagan. I don't know.
You want me to swap the question for something that?
Nita Lulla, maybe? I don't know.
No, not Nita Lulla. Nita Lulla,
Senior, more senior or junior to Nita Lulla?
way senior to Nita Lulla, way senior.
Oh, way senior.
I'm giving you an option. You want me to swap the question?
You can swap, yeah. I mean, but I want to know who is she?
So that was Bhanu Athaiya. Bhanu Athaiya is a legend when it comes to costume design for Bollywood films, Indian films, and she actually won an Oscar for the film Gandhi, like back when it had released. So Bhanu Athaiya is the only Indian who's won a costume award at the Oscars. Now, do you want me to swap the question?
Yeah.
Okay, simpler one. We all know Rangila finished 25 years this year. Who is the costume designer for Rangila?
Who's the costume designer for Rangila? Oh my God.
Dude, like this you must know. This is our era ka film, yeah, come on.
I don't know. Manish Malhotra?
Of course, Manish Malhotra is the legend behind Urmila's amazing, sensuous,
that was a
hot, glamorous
full
looks in
tukka.
Rangila.
Solid tukka it got.
But bang on, yeah, tukka has also gone to the right direction.
Thanks for
Okay, so before I do my last question, I want you to start with your questions. So put me on the edge a little bit. Let's see how I.
So we all know that the sari obviously started in India. Did the petticoat also start in India?
Petticoat is usually worn with a sari, but
Okay, you want? I can give you options.
petticoat. Say. Give me options.
I mean, from for which region do you think petticoat started? I mean, A, India, B, Egypt, C, Britain, D, Persia.
I think
Well-
petty is an English word, so I'm guessing Britain. Is it Britain?
Answer मालूम है. Good boy. Firstly, it's commendable that you have reached where you have reached in the last so many years of your hustle in the fashion industry. Now, to reach where you have reached, you have to choose one out of the two options. Okay? You can't say both or whatever. What would you say for yourself or somebody to reach there where you have reached? What's more important? What you know or who you know?
I would say what you know, because I feel if you know your stuff, you will get there, and then people will automatically know you, and you will know them in turn. So you definitely need to know. So what you know is most important, I think, to reach somewhere in life. That's most important.
I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. So you go on with your question, then I'll give my final super musty question.
Okay, so my next question is basically a picture question. I'm going to share this vision with you, and you have to tell me who this person is. Okay?
Mr. Arjun Boni Kapoor.
Proud of you, Ati.
Thumbs up.
Your fashion and films is all in sync, buddy.
Yeah. This
This
is
was
like,
in fact an amazing look we had created. I was working with stylish Shiraz Siddiqui, who was doing the film.
my next question has got two options, and which one's more scary? Not reaching for someone with whom you're going to get laid, or being late for Kangana Ranaut's trial fittings.
I take my work very seriously, so answering a very scary question in a serious way, I think I'll be more worried about being late. But a lot of people know I'm late a lot of times, but I would be very worried about being late for a work commitment. So yeah, that's
Very good. Work comes first. Commendable answer. What an answer. I'm happy.
because I feel it's also an opportunity, right? A missed opportunity can be a really bad decision, I think. So.
And especially people, I mean, whoever's going to see these videos and people who think that, firstly, people who think Indians are not disciplined on time, well, there you go. There is someone who wants to be on time somewhere. B, when someone says that Indian designers don't deliver on time, so obviously if a designer wants to be there for a particular fitting on time because it's his work, he will definitely deliver your outfits on time.
Superb, Ati. That was, I think, like 5 out of 6 or 4 out of 5, I think, your score. And what was my score?
What's your score? Your full marks, bro.
So that was amazing. That was Ati Nirmal Pagrani, all the way from Dubai, the owner of Westemy, a really dear friend, a super foodie, fashion enthusiast, and a film geek. So that was Ati Nirmal. Ati, thank you again so much for doing this with me
He
today.
forgot the most important thing, and a friend for life.
Definitely, for sure. But this was superb. Thank you so much again. It was amazing to have you today with this, and I'm sure everyone watching is going to have a fun session with this.
Yes,
So,
yeah. I'll be waiting to see.
Thanks, Adi. Thanks a lot.
Thank
Take care, buddy.
you.
God bless.
Thanks, bro. Take care. God bless you.